What's up guys, it's going to be an unboxing of the Parrot Asteroid Mini. This has recently been released, I think about 3 or 4 weeks ago. So yeah, it supports all of this. If you can really see it. Compatible with pretty much everything. So let's open it up. I have already undone the seal. See if I can get this undone. There we go. So, opening it up, inside there is some manual about the asteroid market. So put that to one side. And then we are presented with the screen and the remote. A nice click feel to it. But let's have a little look at what this is. This is your quick start guide. So within this, let's just go back. Let's have a look at contents. Oh, okay. Yeah, you get the idea of what's in there. Right then, we have the main box itself with all the connections on it. The side, the back, the other side, and the bottom. These are sticky pads. That's what it says. Just some random stuff. So yep, put that to one side. Look at the remote. The remote works, you can either plug it into the cable or you can use the battery compartment that's inside it. So on the remote we have end call, I don't know if that's on off, I've not read the instructions yet, voice control, answer call, your scroll wheel, which obviously scrolls, click button, SRC, don't know what that is, home button, back, menu, and backtrack, play pause, and next track. They do click. I don't know if you can hear that on the top, you just kind of push down. So yep, there's that. Then we have the screen. I think this is a 3.2 inch screen, I believe. I'm not totally certain. This just has the connector on the bottom, nothing on the side, nothing on the top, an SD card slot on the side. And let's have a little look under there. Some more stuff about the asteroid market even, not the Android market. Then we have, appears to be another box. I'll get this open. Okay, it is literally just another box. Let me set this on its side, flip that over. Come on. They don't package things by half, do they? Let me put that down. There we go. Let's put the original box back to one side. This is what was in there. As you can see, it's crammed full. By the way, it's bulging out. So let's open this side. Ooh, explosion or what? So in here we have the little tiny battery for the remote. I don't know if that's going to focus. Let me grab the remote. That goes underneath this pad here. I believe it just spins to unclip. So I can spin that off. Yeah, there we go. So that just spins to unclip. That's just one attachment, basically, and then under there you just spin that to open that if you want to. So we've got a battery, your wiring loom cable and everything. Oh, it's got parking brake on it, I've not seen that one before. All the cables. This is I need more space. Push that to one side. Now the Asteroid kit comes with GPS built into it, and this is the GPS receiver. Just slide it out a little bit. If you can see it there, that's the Asteroid receiver. That's plugged into one of the USB ports. What else is there? The dual mic. That just plugs into the box as well. Then this is just a 1.5 meter extension cable, USB extension. I think. Yeah, just an extension cable inside that. And we have, this is the dock if you want the remote wired. You wire this in, and then instead of having the other attachment, it just sits on this and charges it. But you take off the battery pack cover on the back. I don't know how easy that is to do. Which way do you spin it? Open is that way. It should just spin round. No. But either way, that just sits on there like that. So that then you get it powered. I think I read somewhere if you have it through the cable, you get backlit buttons as well. Next, a Parrot plus 2 amp USB cable, 0.1 plus 1.2, whatever that means. Either way, iPod cable, which is USB. Pack of cable ties and some sticky pads. Not totally certain what this is. It looks like a mount for something. So I'm guessing you can probably attach maybe the screen or something to that. I'm not totally certain. And this is the screen attachment. So your screen sits on that plug there, and that plugs in. Nothing else in there, and that's it. Nothing else in there. So that is pretty much everything that you get with this kit. So yeah, thanks for watching. I might do an install video. Please like, subscribe, and see you later.